Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to figure out the percent of change between two numbers. Okay, so for this problem we have a number 30 and that number 30 is changing up to 39. Okay, so it's going to be a percent of increase. And the way you find the percent of change is use this formula right here. Okay, it's the new value minus the old value over the old value. Okay, and then what you do is you take that fraction and you convert it into a percentage. All right, so come on over here and grab a marker. It's up to you what color you like. And let's just fill in these boxes, okay? So we know the new value goes here, right? So the new value is 39, so 39 goes in this box. And the old value, which is 30, goes in the blue boxes. So let's put a 30 here, a 30 here, and also a 30 here, okay? But this box right here actually is the most important box because this is the amount of change. So when we go from 39 to 30, okay, that amount of change is 9. All right, so again, 39 minus 30 gives us 9, okay? Now, I know that if I do 9 divided by 30, okay, that number is 3/10. So this is going to be 0.3. All right, if you didn't know how to do that, what we can do is you can do the numerator divided by the denominator. Okay, so if you do 9 divided by 30, you get 0.3. And then finally, you go from decimal form to percent form. So if you move the decimal 2 spots to the right, you get 30%. Okay. Now, because the number went from 30 to 39, it'd be a percent of increase because the number went up.